The mirage of the number. Meet Alex. Alex just got a 30% raise. In his head, he's already doing the math. Finally, I can breathe. Finally, I can save. But 6 months later, Alex is still living paycheck. The numbers changed, but the anxiety didn't. This is the lifestyle trap. Most people view wealth as a destination reached through a high income. But wealth is actually a ratio. If your lifestyle expands at the same rate as your income, your wealth is zero. Today, we are going to look through a new set of lenses. Lenses that show the invisible price tags on everything you touch. We aren't just talking about being cheap. We're talking about the 10 minimalist rules that separate the truly wealthy from the high-income poor. Philosophy, the second cost and opportunity math. Every object has two prices. The first cost is the transaction. It's what you see on the credit card statement. It's a one-time hit. The second cost is the shadow expense. This is the friction an object adds to your life. Think of it as a tax you pay to your own possessions. The maintenance tax. Cars need oil. Houses need roofs. Clothes need dry cleaning. The mental tax. The more you own, the more you have to protect, clean, and worry about. The opportunity tax. This is the most dangerous one. Math break. Let's look at the opportunity cost formula. If Alex spends $1,000 on a designer bag, instead of investing it in an index fund with an average 7% return, in 20 years, that $1,000 bag didn't cost $1,000. That bag cost Alex nearly $4,000 of his future freedom. When you see a price tag, your brain should automatically multiply it by 4. That is the true cost of the item over a 20-year horizon. Rule 1. The cost per use CPU equation. Most people are penny wise and pound foolish. They'll drive across town to save 5 cents on gas, then spend $2,000 on a couch they only sit on once a week. Minimalism isn't about buying the cheapest thing. It's about maximizing the CPU. If you buy a $100 dress and wear it once, your CPU is $100. The wealth secret. Spend more on things that touch the ground. Tires, shoes, mattresses, and things that earn you money. Your laptop, your tools. Spend near zero on everything else. Rule 2 and 3. The psychology of new. Rule 2. The replacement test. If your house burned down tomorrow and everyone was safe, what would you actually buy back with the insurance money? We often keep things not because we want them, but because we have them. This is the sunk cost fallacy. Rule 3. Never upgrade out of boredom. We live in the era of the incremental upgrade. The iPhone 16 isn't a revolution. It's a 5% improvement over the 15. Yet, we trade thousands of dollars for that 5%. The 72-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, you must wait 72 hours. If the need is gone after 3 days, it wasn't a need. It was a dopamine itch. Rule 4 and 5. Creating friction in the audit. Rule 4. Create spending friction. The modern economy is designed to be frictionless. Frictionless spending leads to a frictionless bank account. By deleting your saved card info, you force your rational brain to catch up with your impulse brain. Rule 5. The possession audit. You cannot manage what you do not measure. We recommend a quarterly audit. Categorize your possessions into 1. Essentials, used daily. 2. Joy givers, high emotional value. 3. Clutter, haven't touched in 90 days. If it's in category 3, it's not an asset, it's an energy leak. Rule 6 and 7. The lifestyle multiplier. This is known as the Diderot effect. Obtaining a new possession often creates a spiral of consumption that leads you to acquire even more new things. Rule 6. Rent the hobby. Before you buy the $2,000 camera gear, rent it for a weekend. If you don't actually go out and shoot, you didn't save $2,000, you saved yourself from a new second cost burden. Rule 7. The shadow expense calculation. Before any major purchase, calculate the multiplier effect, M, for a house. M is often 1.5. Repairs, taxes, furniture. For a pet, N can be 10. If you can't afford the M, you can't afford the item. The final rules. Wealth equals freedom. Rule 8. Define enough. If you don't define enough, the world will define it for you. And the world's definition is always more. Rule 9. Wealth is optionality. Every time you say no to a purchase, you are saying yes to optionality. Optionality is the ability to quit a job you hate, to start a business, or to be present for your family. You are trading a physical object for a unit of time. Rule 10. The one in, one out law. To keep the invisible math in your favor, maintain a static volume of possessions. If you want something new, something old must earn its exit. This forces you to evaluate. Is this new thing better than my current best thing? Financial freedom isn't found in a bigger paycheck. It's found in the gap between what you earn and what you think you need. Look around your room right now. What's owning you? If this deep dive changed how you look at your living room and other choices of living, hit subscribe. Let's build wealth together. What's one item you're getting rid of today? Tell me in the comments.